This man is called Ken Schwaber. He is the co-creator of Scrum. He founded Scrum Alliance, the body behind the CSM certification, just like PMI is behind the PMP certification. He founded Scrum Alliance back in 2001. In 2009, he left Scrum Alliance to start Scrum.org, which is the body behind the PSM certification. Why? Because he felt the CSM was becoming too much about attending a class and not enough about proving your knowledge. He wanted a certification that was a true, rigorous validation of Scrum. In this video, we look into the difference between CSM and PSM, helping you take a decision of which certification you should go for. Now, let's talk about training and cost. The first major difference is the barrier to entry. For CSM, that is the Certified Scrum Master, training is mandatory. You must attend a 14-hour live workshop with a certified Scrum trainer. Because of this, the cost is high, usually ranging from $500 to about $1,000 or even more depending on the training provider. For PSM, let me first tell you that we are talking about PSM 1. There are PSM 2 and 3 also, which we can talk about in a future video if you are interested. But for PSM 1, where PSM stands for Professional Scrum Master, training is completely optional. If you have studied the Scrum Guide and have the experience, you can go straight to the exam for $200. Now, here's what I personally think. If you're paying out of your own pocket, the PSM offers a much better initial ROI. However, if your company is sponsoring this certification, the 2-day CSM training is often seen as a great networking event, so you should definitely go for CSM. Alright, now let's talk about the exam. If you look at the numbers, they both are 1 hour long exams, but the pressure is world apart. So if we talk about CSM, you have 50 questions and in PSM 1, you have 80 questions. The passing score for CSM is 74%. That means you need to have 37 correct answers. But for PSM, it is 85%. That means you have to have 68 correct answers. The time limit is 60 minutes. The pace that you can expect then is 72 seconds per question for CSM and 45 seconds per question for PSM 1. So did you notice that gap? For the PSM, you have only 45 seconds per question. There is zero time to look things up. And with an 85% passing score, you have to be near perfect. This is the reason why the PSM is globally respected as the more rigorous and technical assessment, or in simple terms, just way more difficult than the CSM certification. Let's talk about the how versus the why. The focus of the content also differs here. CSM is very focused on the how side of things. That is facilitation, coaching, and the role of the Scrum Master as a servant leader. It is practical and classroom oriented. PSM, on the other hand, is about the why, the theory of empiricism, and the core principles of the Scrum Guide. It's standardized worldwide. Whether you take the PSM in India or in the US, the assessment is identical, ensuring consistent global standard. Now, finally, let's talk about the renewal cycle, as that is big one specifically for PMP community, as we need to ensure our PMP certification is active and valid with the PDUs and the renewal fees and the whole thing, right? So CSM expires every 2 years. PMP expires in 3 years, by the way. To keep your CSM valid, you must pay $100 fee and submit 20 SEUs, Scrum Education Units. But the PSM 1 is for life. Once you pass, you never pay another cent. No fees, no renewals, no paperwork. So if you're already managing PDUs for your PMP, the forever validity of PSM is definitely a massive advantage. So what is the final recommendation? I would say choose CSM if you are new to Agile, want a guided classroom experience, and want the most recognized certification, especially in markets like the North America, Middle East, and rest of Asia. But you can choose PSM if you are a self-starter, want to save money, and want a badge of honor that proves you can pass one of the toughest Agile exams in the industry. Bottom line is that both these certifications are valuable. And over here at PMC Lounge, we have the content that you need to pass both these exams. In fact, our deep dive into the world of Scrum, that is the Scrum 101 premium course, will be linked in the description below. All you need is to join our YouTube channel, get our VIP pass, and you get access to the Scrum 101 course. And finally, what about you? Are you team CSM or team PSM? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more project management content. And I'll see you in the next one.